Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorials I'm gonna show you how to mute your own voice during voiceover process in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, first you need to click at Edit and select Preference and choose Audio. You should have a window like this, and you should see mute input during timeline recording. Please ensure that you check this box. Alright, I uncheck this to show you this one. This box is what you should check. Alright, I check it again and then we click OK. And now we mute our voice during voiceover process. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you a little bit. Alright.